Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your WhatsApp group notification sound. So basically, it's helpful when you are far away from your screen and you heard a notification but won't able to describe whether it is from your group or a personal chat. So in order to make a different notification for a group, you need to go to your settings here and make sure this works for both Android and iPhone. Right now I'm using iPhone. After going to settings, you just need to type notification, and from here, as you can see here, it says message notification and it says group notification. However, today in this video we are going to focus on this group notification. So here sounds, you need to tap here once, and by default it will be this notification sound. So if you want a different one, just explore the sounds. So if you find something helpful, so just tap the one which you found helpful or which you found attractive, and then just tap the save button. Now what this will do is that your group notification sound and your personal chat sound will be different. So now you will be able to distinguish whether it's a group notification sound or a personal notification sound.